Good morning, friends. Today, we are going to look at a 100 chart puzzle. So these puzzles are always some of my favorites to do because they let me think about numbers in lots of different ways. So in the middle of the board, you see that we know this is the number 34. What number comes after the number 34? What number should we put there? So I clicked into that box and I just have to type the number that I think goes in this box. So I know after 34, I say 35. So I'm going to say 35. I'm going to type that number in. Did you see how it turned yellow? You heard that little magic sound? That means I'm right. Okay, let's keep going. If I know that this is 35, what number comes next? What number comes after 35? If I'm counting, I'm going to say 34, 35, 36. I need to put 36. So I'm going to type my 3 and my, and it made that magic sound again and it turned yellow. So I'm doing really, really well on this one, aren't I? Now, the next two might be a little trickier because I have to really think about what I know about a hundreds chart. If this is the number 35, what number sits on top of the number 35? What number is above the 35? I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to visualize. I'm going to try to see that 100s chart in my teacher's classroom. Oh, I remember something about that chart. I remember that all the way down this column, every one of these numbers has the digit 5. So I know that all of these need to have a 5. But is it going to be 3 and 5? Is it going to be 3 tens and 5 extras like it was here? No. All of these numbers don't have 3 groups of 10. They have 2 groups of 10. So I know I need to put 2 groups of 10 and more. That's the number 25. Nice. Did you see it turned yellow? It did. We're doing awesome. Okay, so now let's look at what we have. We have 25, then 35. What number is going to go below my 35? It needs to have a 5, doesn't it? But is it going to be 3 groups of 10 and 5 extras like the number 35 was? Because if we kept counting, look at what we would see. We'd say 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Then go to the next row. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. It has 4 full groups of 10. So 4 10 frames that are all filled up and 5 more. Look at it. We turned all of those boxes yellow. Every number that we had to put in turned yellow. Should we try another one? Let's try another one. I want to try another one. Let's see. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click the plus symbol, the addition symbol, and that's going to give me a new puzzle. Let's do one. Oh, here's my new puzzle. Oh, this one's a little trickier because my number is at the end and not at the beginning. So if I know this is 85, what number is before 85? What number comes before 85? One smaller than 85. If you had 85 pieces of gum, you'd be very lucky. And you decided you would be nice and share one of your pieces of gum with me. Now, how many pieces of gum would you have? What number is right before 85? 8. 84. Nice. Can we do that again? So remember, you were so nice. You shared one of your pieces of gum with Miss Kate. So now you only have 84. And now you're going to share with another person, one of your friends. How many would you have now if you gave one away? 84. Taking one away would leave you 83. Good job. So we filled in these two on this row, but now we have to think again about what we know about the columns on the 100th chart. We know that the number above has what in common with this number? Is the 8 going to be the same? Or is the 4 going to be the same? We think it's the 4, right? So maybe let's just say I'm going to make a guess because maybe I don't know this one. And I'm going to say I think it might be 84 again. So I typed my 84. But did you hear that magic sound that we've been listening for? I didn't hear it either. And you know what? It's still orange. It's not yellow like I want it to be. So that tells me that I need to keep thinking, and that's okay. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to hit this C. C stands for clear. So that means I'm going to empty out my box and I'm going to try it again. I'm going to hit clear and I'm going to think again. On my last puzzle, it said 25, 35, 45. I remember that. They all had a 5, and then it was 25, 35, 45. I think I know that pattern. It's the number that comes before. So if this is an 8, then I think maybe I need a 7 up here. Let's try it. So I think it's going to be a 7 because 7 is 1 less than 8. And then I think that 4 is going to stay the same. So it did it. I got my 74. Okay, let's try one more box. So I've got 74, 84. What could go in that box? 74, 84. Okay, so I need my number in my tens place to get one bigger, right? So if I had an 8, I'm going to have a 9. And what's going to stay the same? The 4. Awesome, we did another one. That was so good. And remember, if you're ready to try another one, you want to keep playing, all you have to do is hit that plus symbol, and you've got another one. Maybe if you get one and you're thinking, man, I need help with this one. I don't understand this one. Just click that plus again and try a different one. So this is called Number Chart Patterns. It's a puzzle game to play with our hundreds chart. When we know how the hundreds chart works really, really well, our math brain grows and we're able to do more math thinking and solve our problems much more efficiently. So that's a really good thing to practice. So I hope you enjoyed our number chart pattern game and share it with somebody else if you can. Talk to you later. Bye.